Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord app keep on crashing. Like for example, if your Discord keeps on crashing, how to fix that. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. If you want to fix your Discord app keeps crashing, locate the Discord app and hold on it and tap on that I button on the left side. Now what you need to do is at the very top is the storage, tap on it, and at the bottom is the clear data. Tap on the clear data and tap on clear cache memory. Tap on OK. Once the cache memory has been cleared, go to the home screen and open up the Google Play Store or the App Store, depends upon iOS users. At the bottom right is the search and at the very top search for Discord. From here where there is written open, if there is an update, simply update it first because that may be the problem. Now what you need to do is also check up your network connection, and after that refresh the Discord app and that should definitely solve the problem. If that still doesn't work, then just reinstall the app and that should definitely solve it. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.